So basically that's my old TV, the 43-inch whatever. And then this is my new TV. So guys, I bring you good news. I've been struggling for the past couple of days because I've been wanting to buy a TV, and I've had that TV. Hey, I'm getting texts. So I'm gonna switch this cinematic mode so that you guys can see my current TV. But yesterday I managed to get a new TV, an LG 75-inch NanoCell. It's one of the top of the range, so I had to. So I'm excited. The guys are outside. I'm gonna go down now, and yeah, so excited. Let me actually just show you quickly around. I don't think I've done this apartment tour thing, but let me do it quickly. All right, I've just switched to normal mode. There's a helicopter around. Guys, I'm gonna do a proper walkthrough of the apartment in a month's time. Anyway, so that's my couch there, my table. There's like a carpet here, and this is the TV. I think this is a 43-inch or 42-inch TV, and I'm upgrading to a 75-inch, and this is Hisense, and I'm upgrading to LG. Let me just turn the camera around. So that's that. Here's the TV. Yeah, it's been nice. And here's the remote, the Hisense remote. The TV actually came with the apartment when I bought the apartment. Literally everything you see except for this table. This table I bought myself, but everything, and the chair of course, but everything you see here came with the apartment. And there's a balcony here. Guys, I haven't cleaned, so the apartment is not that clean. Excuse me, but this is, oh, and it also came with this inverter thing. I don't know. This is my bedroom. I'm not gonna show you the bathroom because, yeah, I've got stuff hanging. From the bathroom to the lounge, this is pretty much what it looks like, my apartment. Guys, I haven't cleaned, so I'm sorry that this doesn't meet your expectation. I did dishes earlier, so yeah, that's pretty much my apartment, and the TV will be there. I'm so excited. Anyway, let me go out. The guys are probably downstairs, and we're at the big TV. Yeah, look at that. Sure. Sure, thank you. Anyway, in other news, I forgot the bracket here in the car, so came here to fetch it. It's in my boot. This is the bracket for the TV. Let's go. That's what it looks like. Yeah. This is like the old TV here. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. That's yeah, I think it's fine, actually.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Would I have like normal TV here?
No.
No? Like your SBC?
one.
Yeah. How do I get it?
You need a box. SBC.
Alright, so it's a couple of hours later and the guys installed the TV and they have left. Oh shucks, that's messed up. Let me switch the camera so you guys can see the new TV. Alright, so basically that's my old TV, the 43-inch whatever, and then this is my new TV. I mean, look at the difference. The difference is insane. It's almost like 3 times the current TV, which I think is insane. So that's the box. They said that I should keep this for 14 days. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this box for 14 days, but basically that's the name of the TV, LG NanoCell. I was actually tempted, guys, to buy the Samsung, also 75-inch, but I think their technology is this thing. I actually want to give it to somebody because, oh yeah, say, the QLED, the Samsung QLED. So I almost wanted to buy that one, but I think the salesman really did a good job for actually overselling this one. Apparently it's way better than the Samsung QLED. But yeah, basically that's that, and this is the famous magic remote where it moves. All right, let's go. Netflix. Let's see the quality. I mean, the quality is insane, guys. Okay, hopefully I don't get into like copyright issues when I. But anyway, so this has been quite a YouTube. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But basically, that's the TV, guys. And it is fantastic. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I normally don't do videos like this, but I want to try and do more kind of lifestyle content, which is not even something that I'm good at. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.